Average speed. If an object moves with different speeds, we could calculate its average speed as the following. Makes sense. You you move with different speeds every time. So we need to calculate the average speed. When you run your car, start your car from zero and then you move with uh, uh, 30 miles per hour and then you accelerate to 40 and then you accelerate to 50 in specific time. We need to find the average speed. That's if you move in linear, in one line or linear motion. So the average speed is the total distance over the total time. So distance 1 plus distance 2 plus distance 3 divided by time 1 plus time 2 plus time 3 and so on. Okay. So we have this example here. A bicyclist travels the first 60 meters of a trip for 60 seconds. So 600 meters in 60 seconds. The next 1000 meters with an average speed of 5 meters per second. And the final trip, which is 1200 or 1200 meters at speed of 12 meters per second. Find the average speed of the bicyclist for the whole trip. So how to deal with this question? So the matter of fact here, if you want to find the average speed, we need to find all distance. And I guess in this example, we have all distance. Nothing missing here. Distance 1 is 600 meters. Distance 2 is 1000 meters. Distance 3 is 1200 or 1200 meters. So we're looking for the time here. We don't have all times. Time 1, yes, we have 60 seconds, but time 2, how to get time 2. So we need to fill out this column here. This is the column of distance. It's the column of distance. I will green it here. And here is the total we need to add here. The total distance. And the column of time, we have already the first time, which is 60 seconds. So we're looking for this. This is missing, empty. And we're looking for the third row time here. This is missing, and then we're gonna add time over here. In this rectangle or square, we're gonna do an operation, which is you divide the total distance over the total time. That's our plan. Let's do it differently here. And here. Total. That's going to be the average speed. Okay, let's work on that. So if you want to find the time and you're given distance and speed, so as you know, distance equals, or let's do speed. Just one formula. I don't want you to write down many formulas, okay, because students told me that we need just to remember minimum formulas, minimum numbers of formulas. So only if you remember that speed equals distance over time, you could get all formulas for that. Distance over time. So if you want to find the time t over 1 equals d over s. So you want to find the time equals distance over speed. So in here, we're given distance 1000 and speed is 5. So 1000 divided by 5 equals 1000 divided by 5 equals 200. So this is 200. And we have the third row, which is you divide the distance by the speed. Distance by speed equals the time. Distance by the speed. So 1200 divided by 12 equals 100. So here is 100. That's 200 seconds, and that's 100 seconds. Okay. We don't need anything more to find the average speed. Just we need to add distance and add time. For just in case, if they ask you about the speed over here, just divides distance by time. 60 divided by 600 divided by 60 equals 10. So here's 10 meters per second. If they want to find that. Anyway, we're looking for a total distance. Total distance, you add distance. So 600 plus 1000 plus 1200. Put down 0. And 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then 6 plus 2 is 8. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 2800 or 2800. The same here if you want to add the time. So here is 60 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's 360 seconds. This is 2800 meters. And this is 360 seconds. And now you could calculate. I wish if you could do it without calculator. Yep. If it's easy calculation. And this is easy. Okay. But this is not the time to go over division. That's not your topic here. So we're looking for dividing 2800 by 360. And it's 7.7778. Let's do it 7.78. 7.78 meters per second. This is the average speed. Okay? All right. I'll give you this question to think about. A train travels a total distance of 800 kilometers in 10 hours. Total distance. Total distance. Remember, that you put it down in total distance. Okay. It travels the first 150 kilometer at speed of 60 kilometer per hour. Travels the next 200 kilometer in 2 hours, and then completes the trip at an unknown speed. What was average speed of the train for the last leg of the trip? What is the average speed of the train for the entire trip? You're gonna pause the video, give yourself 5 minutes to answer this question, construct table, and then next video I'll show you the answer. All right.